Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at how to use Italic in a Microsoft Office Word document in under 2 minutes. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. If you want to make your headings or any word in a document stand out, you can use the Italic function. There we go. Make it Italic. Remember to highlight whatever you want to apply the function to. There we go. If you decide against using italics for this section, it's very simple. The minute you highlight it, it will show you exactly what functions you've used. Bold, italic, underline. So I don't want to use italic anymore. I just click on it to remove it. Let me know what you need help with and I will make a video for you. Remember to subscribe. Bye now.